Welcome back. South Goa tourist taxi owners have demanded relief from parking fees. They claim that despite of paying tax and other fees to tourism department, why are they liable to pay the parking fees? They said parking fees are additional expenditure incurred by the tourist taxi owners.
आखे गोंया आमी पार्किंग हारी करता जशे परी आमी कालांगूट बागा अंजुना कालांगूट ओल्ड गोवा मंगेशी आनी आमी हिंगा हे सगळे जे पार्किंग करता तेजे आमी रेसिप्ट हाडलेलो आहा सांगपा म्हणल्यार डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्युरिजम हो एक रेसिप्ट आहा हेजे ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ना कांय ना मंगेशी हिंगा पार्किंग हायर केलो आहा हेजे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ना कांय ना आनी वयल्यान आमी ओनर्स रिस्क म्हणलोले आहा सेकेंड आता बागा आणि अंजुना हे सुद्धा ते 20 रुपीज कालांगूतूय आहा त्याचो हिंगा कालांगूत आहा सो हिंगा 20 रुपया ही भाशेन हारी केले जाल्यार आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक आमी आतां ट्युरिजम टॅक्स हारी करताय ट्युरिजम टॅक्स आमी नोणाय हो ट्युरिजम टॅक्स आमी कित्या लागून ते घेताय ते एक आमी ते ट्युरिजम टॅक्स हारी करे म्हण आमकां हें दिलां आनी आमी वर्साक आमी 200 रुपया टॅक्स हारी करताय सो आमकां कळपा जाय हे आमी टॅक्स कित्या हारी करताय तो
Teams from the state-dominated All India Inter-District Invitational Athletics Meet organized by Mandovi Athletic Club at Kampal. South Goa emerged the overall champions while North Goa were the runners-up. South Goa's Vasudev Dhamdai and North's Tanvi Vargaonkar were named best athletes of the meet.
The two-day Dalton Group All India Inter-District Invitational Athletics Meet concluded on Saturday at SAG Ground in Kampal. Both the Goan districts with more than 200 participants won most of the events to grab the top two positions. North Goa MP Shripad Naik was the chief guest for the prize distribution ceremony. Here are some of the highlights of the day's action. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Kampal.
Chhat Puja was performed by North Indians in Goa with religious fervour. Hundreds of devotees were seen performing the puja dedicated to sun god. The festival is celebrated for 4 days. Here are some excerpts of Chhat Puja captured by reporter Dishant Parab at Baina Beach. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.